I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm not simple. I'm sorry that I'm not like Sweet Shadow, your old dog, who lived for you instead of complicating your life. I'm sorry I did not stay a child, seeing things in black and white as Shadow does, seeing you as the whole world, seeing you as a goddess. I'm sorry that I couldn't simply be trip after trip to Woodfield Mall or the Botanical Gardens with me safe, firmly safe on your body and my snuggie. I'm sorry I'm not simple. I'm sorry I became a betrayed teenager, understanding just enough for the first time to be thrown into a messy world where nothing's black and white. I'm sorry we all fight that eviction from our own Eden for the rest of our lives. I'm sorry for the rage that ravages through my stomach, through my body, my very cells thrashing against you, the world. I'm sorry I'm not simple like the stories we tell ourselves to face the world. And I'm sorry that we all die, that Sweet Shadow's life had to end, that Dad died. I'm sorry I'm not simple. I'm sorry that I'm complicated and make you suffer, floating separate from you, a part of the world that overwhelms you and outside of you. I'm sorry you have the limitations that you do. I'm sorry that I'm more complicated than you were designed to deal with. And I'm sorry I'm no longer a part of you, carried inside of you and felt by you. I'm also sorry I wouldn't change it. This is what made me. This is what helped me write this. There's always a hill to climb. We all fall from Eden. And without you, I wouldn't be me, and that wouldn't do.